Hello, Nathaniel Crawford here, and today I have an amazing exclusive for you. Behind me is the first container home here in Delray Beach. Hasn't been listed yet, will be coming to market very soon, but today I'm going to give you a behind the scenes walkthrough so you can see, before anybody else, right here, what Delray Beach's first container home looks like. Let's take a look. Okay, there you have it. Your first look, before anyone else, your exclusive first look at Delray Beach's first container home. As always, if you have any questions or want more information about this beautiful home, feel free to comment below, send me a direct message, or I can be reached directly at 404-452-4184. My name is Nathaniel Crawford, and I am here to help you find your next home. Let's talk soon.